Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Printing bulk barcodes has 4 basic steps. Open the Inventory Barcodes report. Click plus in the criteria grid. Set the criteria of inventory type bulk equals yes, then click Preview. Under Inventory in the Report section, click Inventory Barcodes. In the Filter section, click plus in the criteria grid. In the column, scroll down until you find the Inventory Type block and select Bulk. Set equals in the operator and type Y in the value. Click Preview. The barcodes will be filtered for all bulk inventory. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center.